Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm back with the part 4 video for explaining numpy libraries inside of Python code. In the last time I show you everything you need to know about numpy libraries, and then also I show you how can you find some deep knowledge if you want to see, and I show you the website. But in today's video I will going to continue some other syntax that you have to need to know about it, and I will going to show you that in this video. And without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, I'm back with the code, and the last time video we discussed about those numpy libraries, and in today's video I will going to add some unique syntax you have to know, and those are I will going to show you while I'm writing. Okay, let's say we want to create some data, and let's call it data2, and we want to create a number between 1 up to 10. Okay, to do that what we want to do is numpy dot a range, and then we will going to pass the first number and up to 10. This means 1 up to 10. And if I run this one, okay, let's run all code. Let me run from this one to okay. From here, okay, now we set our data to be 1 up to 10 numpy list. And if you want to see our data, we can just say 2, and we can index the third one and we get 4, and if we index 9 we get 10. Okay, it's out of point. Okay, I think let's see our data. Okay, this will be 1 up to 9. Okay, it is because 1 up to 10, but without including the 10 number. And then when we index, if we say 9, Python will going to be start from 0, so 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So you're going to say out of range because it's only have 8 index. That's why we get that here. Okay, that's how we can create some range numbers. And let's say we want some step to have. Let's say we want to create a number between 10 up to 1000, and then we want to jump 10. So, and let me show you what's going to look like the data. Okay, as you can see here, let's do this one to 1. Okay, maybe 11 or 10. What? Why? Okay, this code, what we're going to do is we want to create data from 10 up to 1012, or just we can just also say 10,000, 10 up to 10,010, and then we want to jump 10 for every single step that's going to go. For example, if it is start from 10, so we're going to add 10 and then 20, and then we're going to 10 until it reach under it will going to stop until it reaches this one, but if reach this one, it will not going to print it out this one. And we can also say 1001. I hope it will going to work. Yep, it will work. Okay, I hope you got the idea. And the second one I want to show you is and this what we're going to do is let's say we want to create some data 0 up to 1, and then we want the number between 0 up to 5 to be 5 numbers. And when I show you the result, you will going to get it, the idea, or you will going to make sense. Okay, as you can see here, you see some pattern here. We're going to create 5 numbers from this based on this number, based on 0 up to 1 numbers, and those gap must be equal for everyone. As you can see, we have for every single numbers it have 0.25 gap. And if I say 6, we're going to have 20, I think. Yep, it will going to have 20, because if we divided 0 plus 1 equal to 1, so 1 divided by 6 will going to be 0.2. So we're going to jump 0.2 step for every single day data. But this is not a very necessary thing. It will going to help you for upcoming topic videos, but just keep in your mind, you don't have to remember every single thing text by your mind. You can just go to the dictionary, or you can just easily look up in the web, and you can get it the answer. But just I'm just showing you some things that if you does not know before. And then also the other one is with a random numbers, and as you can see here, I already did this one. I just stop the video and I just go back and try it the code, and I got this code here. But to create a random number, we can just say random, and then dot. We cannot create a random integer. We can also create a random number. This will going to be float. So that's I'm going to show you by this one. And after that, what we are going to pass here is will going to be the shape of the random integer, the random number, and let's say 10 numbers. We want to create 10 numbers, and if I run, and as you can see, those 10 numbers are random. And let's say we want also create 10, but 2 times 10, so we're going to be 20. As you can see here, 1 2 3 4 5. This will be 1. Oh my bad. Instead of this, it is easy to visualize. We create 10 random number, and then also we create here another random 10 numbers, and we can play with it if you want. And for future videos, this is a mostly used in machine learning when we build a model, And if you are not familiar with the model, don't worry about it. I will explain in the upcoming future videos. So that's how the Python numpy looks like. If you know this much about the numpy, you are in good shape to go and learn other stuff. And I'll see you guys in the next library explanation video. See you there. Goodbye.